everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how to make the best sweet potato salad. You're gonna need 2 pounds of potato. I got here, I washed mine and I'm gonna peel them and get them ready for the pot. Alright? Some water here. This is just to prevent them, to put them in to prevent them from oxidizing on me, alright? Remember that mayo that we made in previous video? Now this is a perfect time. We can use it, right? Get rid of all those little bad areas. And this potato salad, guys, I saw a friend made it and I was inspired to make my own, you know, and it looks so delicious. I have to make it and show you guys, right? So for the smaller potato, you can just cut them in 2 and then you cut that half in 2 again, right? So you want to cut these, guys, so you can get to slice them up. Now bear in mind that potatoes are a little bit hard. Not a little bit, they are hard. So be careful not to cut yourself. And you can cut them in equal size. That way they cook evenly, right? And you can do that to all of them. And like I said earlier, guys, the water is very important. This is to prevent the potatoes from oxidizing, right? And if you don't want your hands to be stained, you guys, you can always rub some oil on your hands, right? Now guys, I know they have 2 different types of potatoes. Make sure if you go to the store to purchase it, if you're living overseas, is the potatoes from the Caribbean. I don't necessarily like the ones overseas. They're a bit too mushy for me. Alright, so we're gonna drain the water off and add them to the pot. Alright, so to make up the dressing, we're going to be using some chives, not our typical flavor of what the scallion would give. We're going to be using also some dill and the purple onion. And all of these flavors, guys, will kind of come together and, you know, the potato tastes really nice. Alright guys, so we're going to make up the mayonnaise dressing now. Boy, this looks so good. And look like real mayonnaise. It is real mayonnaise, you know. Alright, so we're going to add our dill and some chives. Salt. And pepper. Now guys, remember, salad composed of 3 main components: the body, the base, and the garnish. We're going to add some mixed vegetables to it, so the green bean and the carrot. And this is optional. I'm going to be adding some cranberries, but you don't have to use these, guys. I think that the combination of flavors with the cranberry kind of bring it out a little bit. And a little bit of red onions. So we're going to add the mayonnaise now to the salad. I think the sweet potato salad is an excellent side dish. And if you try it, don't hesitate to let us know, guys. And please remember to put on your post notification bell and don't forget to subscribe, right? Before I close out, I want to wish everybody a happy new year filled with happiness, love, joy, and prosperity. Thank you so much for watching this. You guys really mean a lot to me. You have been with me for the few months that I've started this YouTube journey, and I look forward to serving you even better for 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.